Hi. So, are you one of those who are confused as to how to take BTST trades? So, don't worry. Today I'm here to clear up all of your doubts. Firstly, BTST trade simply means buy today and sell tomorrow. That is, you simply buy a particular stock today and exit it tomorrow. And why do we do it? I'll just come to back to that later. Before that, I would like to clarify that every broker allows you to take BTST trades. That is like it was the single most biggest doubt that every one of you had, and there are no extra charges. Simply like whatever you're paying for delivery trades, the same charges you incur in BTST trades, and it is just one of the trading styles like swing trading and intraday trading. So it's not nothing special. It is just one of the styles that many of the traders prefer while trading. And so all the BTST traders just try to take advantage of the short term volatility that the market give them. Also, I'll be introducing you to a new indicator that I have coded myself. So this yellow line that you see, this weird zigzag line. So I'll be introducing you to this indicator in one of the follow up videos, and I'll show you how it can be used to find breakout trades on any stock. So I'll request you to please comment below the stocks you want me to analyze using this indicator in the next video, and I'll try to accommodate all the requests, and I'll show you on your preferred stock how this particular indicator can be used, and then I'll also be giving access to this indicator to everybody who is interested. So now, why do I prefer BTST trades over swing trades? So let's look at few examples, right? So here is one of the stock that I've chosen. Okay, so you will see that 90% of the stocks give most of the movement in just 1 or 2 3 days, right? And after that, either they consolidate or they start falling. So it is the case that you will see in every stock. So these white candles you're seeing, these are the basically green candles are the day when the price increased, and the orange ones are the days when the price actually fell. So I'm going to show you some examples. These are the charts of the stocks that I have shared on TradingView in the past few days, sharing my BTST trades and the trades that we took, the trades that I recommended. So I'll show you those examples. So here you can clearly see, like the price moved, for example, on you see these big two green candles, and they gave almost 20% returns in just 2 days, and after that either the price consolidated or it fell. So see, after that it started falling. So if you would have entered as a swing trade here, then even after holding it for so many days, you wouldn't have been able to take the maximum benefit out of that particular stock. And one of the problem is that when you increase the number of days, the returns that you get per day decreases, and actually your probability also decreases, because the one thing that is common in most of the breakout stocks is that 90% of the time they'll give you returns in a single day. So see, I'm not making a many example, these are the live examples from the live market, right? And I'll be showing you around 10 of those stocks which have shown this thing. All right, so I randomly selected all of the stocks, and actually I found it to be there. So see, after consolidating for almost, see, like 36 days, suddenly it gives a breakout, and after that also it start consolidating. So the fact is that what I said is that 90% of the stocks give most of the movement in just 1, 2 or 3 days. And this is the truth that you'll be finding in every stock. So see, just one long green candle and followed by almost like 18 orange candles. So that means the price didn't move after that, right? And this is the case. See, let's just look at some other stock. For example, Andhra Sugar. You see, in just 4 candles, it grew by almost, it gave returns of almost 45%. And what after that? Firstly fell sharply and then consolidated for almost 50 days. So if you were a trader and you would have entered even here, that this particular trade here, then what happens is that actually you're holding it for so much long, but for these particular days you're not getting any return. So what's the point of even holding that particular date trade for these many days? Instead, you after exiting here, obviously, for any trader it is very difficult to exit at the tip. So maybe we are exiting in the midpoint, But after that, for these, these 60 days, we are entering any other stock which can give better potential, and which has better potential to give us better returns. So that is the strategy behind taking BTST trades, that most of the time you will see in Zuari, one of the stocks openly trading in the market. See, only on one candle it gave such big returns, and for subsequent around 10 to 15 candles, it kept on consolidating or falling. And then again, as one single big candle and consolidation and fall. So, are you able to recognize the pattern that I'm trying to say, right? Like for a few days it rises and then it keeps on consolidating or falling. So that is the thing we are trying to avoid through BTST trades. We're just trying to capture the maximum returns that a particular stock can give. See, even in this example, right, the stock gave move in just 4 days, and then either it fell or it kept on consolidating. So what is the point of holding these trades for these many trades when either the stock is consolidating, it is falling? You could use this particular time to enter more efficient trades, right? The time period that in that particular time period will be growing, your money won't be stopped, it won't be redundant. So see the example of Redigo Khaitan. So after almost consolidating for, see, let's how many days, consolidating for almost 62 days, it gave a breakout. And it like in almost 3 or 4 candles, in 4 candles it gave more than 29% returns. And after that, it kept on consolidating for these many days. How many days are these? For almost 75 days. So as a swing trader, if we imagine, even if you entered here and you kept on holding for more returns, and you're holding it till now. So for example, you entered on 6th of or 7th of October, and you're still holding it. So you are no better than a trader. So so the smart trader, smart BTST trader, what he would have done is to exit at this particular point and stop wasting time holding for these many particular days, right? So that is the strategy, that is the psychology behind BTST trading, that you're increasing your probability of returns by taking like by taking fresh breakout trades every day, so that you have the maximum probability of returns, right? Every day you're taking fresh breakouts, you're not holding the older breakouts, because uh, as we all know, breakouts can't, a particular stock can't always keep on rising. It is a very rare case scenario. So for 1 or 2 days it will rise, and for like the next 1 month it will keep on consolidating or falling, and then again it will give a breakout and then consolidate. So that is the very common pattern that is followed in all of these stocks we'll see, and that is what we are seeing, right? So even recently, uh, for like past 3 days, Radigo Khaitan has given some decent returns, and now I'm very sure either it's going to consolidate or it's going to fall. So that are the only two scenarios that are there for the stock. There is no another scenario, and it has to follow it. There is no other option for it, right? And if we keep looking, like, there's one more example. You see, on just one day it gave us such a massive move, and on the other days it kept on consolidating, kept on consolidating. So see, we are seeing so many numerous examples. See, in just one day it gives us huge return, and for the other subsequent days, so let's measure. So almost like for 50 days it kept on consolidating. So what's the point of holding a trade for these many days? Instead, on every day you could get hold of new breakouts, new fresh breakouts, and maximize your chances of getting profits. So every day you enter a breakout trade, and then you exit at a certain profit, be it 3%, 5%, 7%, whatever it can be. And then that's where the power of compounding kicks in. So every day, if you're making around even 1% daily or 2% daily, then you have to multiply it with the number of days that you're taking trades. And since you're consistently making profits, right, and like every day you're making profits, so obviously you will be better trader than any other one. So for example, you take you hold this particular stock, and in 60 days it has given just 25% return. So 25% is a very decent return for any stock. But you see, if you calculate the average return that this stock has given per day, then it comes out to be just 0.5%. And if you're able to make 1% daily, that means in the period of 60 days or in a period of 50 days, you're able to make 50% returns. So that is obviously a better choice. And that is why we take BTST trades. Also, like I like I think that a lot of examples, because this video is getting too long, I don't want to make it too long. I'll keep on posting more and more examples where I find this phenomena that the stocks give most of the returns in a single day, and like for the next subsequent days they keep on consolidating or falling. So also, like I like to reiterate that you must be seeing this yellow line, this yellow zigzag line, and it is actually the indicator that I have coded that helps us figure out the breakouts. I'll explain, like in the next video I'll be analyzing charts using this indicator and teach you how to draw important price levels, so that you can figure out the support, the resistance points, which can help you take intelligent trading decisions. So I'll just show you one quick example here on this particular chart. I didn't plan to do that, but yes, we could do it. So here, see, this yellow line intersected with this particular candle. So if I simply draw a line here, you see we quickly got such a beautiful support for this stock. So below this, like the stock, so it is like around here, and it kept on taking support here. It didn't go below it. So that is how we can use this indicator. See, just a quick example, one more, here it tried to intersect, and if I quickly draw a line, see, it is taking support. The stock is taking support from here, it didn't go below it. So this indicator can actually help you identify really good breakout points. It can help you identify a really good resistance points, support points, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll be analyzing more, like any stock that you tell me using this indicator, and I'll show you how this indicator can help you find breakout rates. So don't forget to comment on the stocks that you want me to analyze. Just comment them below, and in the next video I'll see you, and we'll discuss about this indicator, and I could also take any other doubts that you have regarding BTST trading. Until then, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.